Ma'am, sige na ba? So, pinag-isipan ko, anyway, mahilig naman ako sa community. I'm very active sa school. I'm a school governance council president for many years, both in elementary and high school. And ang puso ko sa education. So, anyway, to be honest, I've been abroad for many years. I've been 3 years in Saudi Arabia and 24 years in United Kingdom, in London. So when I was there, nangako ko sa sarili ko, tapos na yung mga anak ko, nakaparal ako ng mga kapatid ko, tapos na. So when I go back to the Philippines, I have to help the community. So I've been active in the community, and then when in TCDI, we went to Bukidnon for the summit just to see. And I said, there were many positions given. I said, oh, I'll just be in that position. And then we went there, and after the summit, we went to Dato Jiri, and then the chairman was there, and Attorney Valdez. So we had dinner, then chit-chat, and it was explained to me the purpose of NCDI. So anyway, I was convinced that probably God gave me this position or this job instead of politics. Politics is not for me. So anyway, I was appointed as a provincial representative, which is equivalent to congressman. So and after that, I went home, think about it, and yes, and I was given all the documents. I studied it because I just love studying education. So okay. So I started what is needed to be done. All the ordination letters. We have a meeting, and we have to go around the barangays and all the agencies. We went to first in IPMR, and then the AFP, PNP, SWD, NCIP, and all the needed agencies to respect, because it's nice to respect wherever they are. So now we are in the finishing line of the barangay coordination letters in Samalaylan. We started planning, and of course we're looking for people that will help us for our objectives. I know, I've heard that CHAP is a sister company, and they have their purpose, we have our purpose. Our purpose is to help the indigenous people. And I learned that all of us belongs to different tribes, 110 tribes. Because before